Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Taufik from Bogor. I am a high school student of Health Science Kabumi. I will to explain about nursing documentation. Okay, nursing documentation is a record of the result of the assessment carried out to collect information from patient, create baseline data about the patient, and keeping a record of the patient health response. Assessment, comprehensive or thorough, systematic, which will logically lead and support the identification of pain problems. This problem, which using the study data as a basis for a formulation which is explicit on nursing diagnosis. And then documentation method in nursing assessment aims to one or first collect, organize, and record data that describe human responses that affect the patient's health parents. Second, the result of the assessment documentation will be the basis for writing a plan of care nursing. Third, provide confidence about basic information about the patient's health to use it as a reference for current or past health status. Fourth, provide sufficient data to determine the appropriate treatment strategy or which patient needs. And next, there is type of data in assessment. In nursing assessment, there are type of data that can be obtained, namely, and first, subjective data. Subjective data obtained from the result of the assessment of patient, which the technique of interviews, family, consulta, and other health work, as well as story nursing. This data is the form of complaints of subjective per patient of the patient status is health. The second, objective data. Objective data information is obtained from the result of observation, physical examination, result of investigation, and laboratory result. Focus of objective data assessment in the form of health status, coping parents, function of the patient, response status to therapy, which for potential problems, patient support, characteristic of the data that obtained from the result of the study solved have complete, assurance, real and relevant. Complete data is able to identify all problems nursing in patient. And then I want to explain there are 5 processes in the nursing process. First, assessment of the patient. Second, determine the diagnosis. Third, plan action. Fourth, implement the action. And the last, evaluation. Assessment of the patient, a process that aims to collect information or data about in order to identify, recognize problems, health needs, and patient, both physical, mental, social, and environmental. In the assessment, the nurse asks the patient complete biodata, ask what the patient feels, and conduct an examination of the patient. And the last, an example of an assessment is to obtain patient information. The first time, usually asking the patient biodata. Usually, the nurse asks for the full name, complete address, age, gender, name of the person in charge, plus education. Then decides that the person in charge of the patient biodata was also asked. Then ask the patient's complaint, what the patient feels, past in meals history, and also ask how the patterns of daily life. After the patient explained, a physical examination is usually carried out starting from blood pressure, temperature, respiration, pulse. After that, a physical examination was carried out from head to toe. Okay, enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.